Time for a slightly different type of video. An unboxing video. I would love to say that's because my PlayStation has arrived. Unfortunately, that is not the case. A couple days ago, I got notification that it was delayed because of severe weather along the route, and I haven't had an update since then, so I'm kind of in waiting mode for that, so hopefully I'll get it soon. If not, if they said like if by tomorrow you don't get it, so today, then you can like ask for a refund, but I'm like, I don't want a refund, I just want the PlayStation. So anyway, we'll see what happens with that, but in the meantime, let me do a practice unboxing video because I've never done an unboxing video. And just turns out that today when I got my treatment, they gave me this after the treatment. I got something similar when I was first diagnosed, like almost 2 years ago. Don't know why I'm getting another one, but I'll take it. So let's check out what comes with this. So first thing, place for a name tag, money and ID cards and stuff. That's pretty cool. Let's see, then there's a pocket right here. So just a pocket for storage. Cool. Like a nice enough backpack. And then we have what appears to be a water bottle. I like the orange cap. I mean, my bottle is definitely way better. It's bigger and there's a filter and everything, but still seems like a nice bottle. It's nice. And on this side, we have not one, but two insurers. Yay, like I'm not throwing up enough already. But still, I appreciate it. Now let's see what's inside this thing. Oh, there's another pocket here at the top. So no, okay, nothing there, but more storage. Because I can definitely feel something inside. So there's something inside. Okay, there's a smaller pocket in front to store stuff. And I'm guessing the goodies are in the back here because that's the only pocket left. So let's see what's inside. Okay. I think it's a lion. His mane's kind of like squished, but I think it's a lion. So I guess that'll be a nice gift for my niece. Sorry. I threw up recently after coming back from the hospital. And there's always kind of like phlegm that comes up for a bit after, so might be coughing a little more in this video. Next thing, I think it's a stress ball. Seems like a stress ball, heart-shaped stress ball, so that's pretty cool. Okay, a little baggie with something inside, I'm assuming. Little baggie with, gloves inside. I mean, given the Canadian winter, they're would be pretty much useful, but I mean useless, but now spring is arriving, days are warmer. This will probably be nice when I'm able to go walk in the park once again during that period where it's warm enough to be outside without a jacket, but sometimes the wind gets a little chilly, so this could definitely be useful then. Let's see what else. Pair of socks. Seems like wool socks. Pretty nice. One more pair of socks. Nice. I believe this is a cover. That way I can bring it to my treatments. If I'm cold, I can cover myself up. So I don't want to open it up completely. But yeah, seems like a nice, relatively thick cover. Not like super insulated, but definitely good for like chilly hospital waiting areas and stuff like that. Ooh, a hat. Yay, a hat! And now I can't see anything. Alright, nice. It's big because a lot of the hats sometimes it's like you put them on and then they're like they don't come down quite enough and cover the bottom of the ears, and then you go outside and you end up being cold. Okay. I'm not sure what's in here, but I guess we'll find out. Jet stream. that's just a pocket. And this is cool. Toothbrush, toothpaste, pocket tissues. Actually, I'm probably gonna keep this in my jacket. That way I don't have to keep like putting a couple of Kleenex in my pocket whenever I go. Like, I'll just grab the bag, put that in my pocket if I ever need to throw up, and then just kind of like keep this here. I have like a small pocket in my jacket, so I just keep it there, ready, easy to access, but not always kind of in the way. Hand sanitizer. Hydration cream. Okay, cool. More lip balm, always useful, especially during winter. Ooh, no flavor, nice. Because sometimes it's like weird flavor. Well, not weird, it's just, you know, as an example, like I love cherries, but I hate anything cherry flavored. It just seems like it tastes so fake and artificial that I don't really enjoy it. So I'm glad that it wasn't cherry flavored, but yeah, really nice. Maybe this could be like my going in the hospital kit. If ever I'm like, crap, I need to go to the ER or something, I don't know how long I'll be there, I can just kind of have that pre-packed and just grab that whenever I need to go instead of having to like pack everything. Alright, soothing relief and aches. So magic bag that I think you can either cool down or warm up. Yep. So either way you're covered. It's pretty cool. I don't know what that is. Ah, okay, it's a cell phone holder, so you can unfold it and then just kind of like rest your cell phone against it. That way, if you're watching something, you don't have to hold it all the time. So that could be nice. Pack of cards. Ooh. Packing baggie so it doesn't smell. Nope, doesn't smell. Guess it works. And finally, a folder with probably a bunch of stuff in it. Yep, so there's, well, let's go one at a time. So, $50 gift card. I already got one about like a little less than 2 years ago when I was first diagnosed, and they gave me something like this. So I don't know if I'm allowed to have a second one, but if I am, I'm definitely going to take it. So, nice notebook with a pen attached to it. And obviously I love their color because it's orange and I love orange, so that's cool. Let's see what else. Bunch of paperwork and stuff, probably a bunch of ads, but we'll see. So, alright, so that's for the gift card. That's just a bunch of ads or a company that sponsored this probably. Kind of like explaining what this company, like what they do and how they help people. Same thing, just in French. I don't know, some sort of pamphlet for something, not really sure what it is. English and French once again. I don't know, a guidebook for helping people go, like, you know, deal with different stuff that they might deal with while after being diagnosed with cancer. At this point, I don't really need it. I'm pretty familiar with how that all works. Coupon to save on insurance, but they already had some at the hospital and I looked into it and it was actually cheaper on Amazon, so not really worth it in my case, but still nice. So more information about cancer and stuff, and yeah, more information about insurance. So that seems to be about it. So I'll be honest, I don't know how much of it I'll use, just because I already have most of the things I already need. But there's definitely some cool stuff in there. So I definitely appreciate the gesture. What I would or will appreciate the most would be the $50 gift card if I'm able to get it a second time. That'd be cool. If not, the rest of the stuff, like I don't know how much I'll use it. I think I'll just kind of put everything back in and just kind of like put it in a corner of my closet. That way, if ever I need to go to the yard, I'm in a hurry, I can just kind of like grab that and not have to really think or worry about anything like that. I think that would be the best option. Because right now I carry kind of like a, well, ironically by the same company, Vobach, yeah. I've been using since the start. That was, I forget, maybe it was like in one of the first packages I got similar to this. And I've been kind of carrying that all the time with me when I go to appointments and stuff, to carry my water bottle and things like that. It's just, because just a backpack, like it takes a lot of space and I don't really need that many things when I go to the hospital. But this would be like a good ER kit of like, all right, anything I might need if ever I go to the ER and end up staying for the hospital at the hospital for a couple of days. That way I don't have to worry about like packing stuff. I can just kind of like grab that and go. So I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Seems like a good option. So yeah, I mean, if this wasn't online and there was an easy way for me to like give you stuff, I just give you like, you know, whatever I know I'm not going to use. Like this, yeah, okay, it's cute, but I'm not going to use it. So I'm probably just going to give it to my niece, and giving it to other people like online is not really an option. It's just like that would be really complicated. I don't know how that would work. But yeah, like other stuff like this, like I'm probably never going to use this. Cell phone holder, same thing. Pack of cards can always be useful if I'm in the hospital for a couple of days, but it's like there's probably a bunch of these things that I never use, and I would offer to give them to you if I could. It's just, you know, even if you're like, yeah, I would like a little stuff like lion that's worth like $2, it's like, how am I even going to send it to you? You know, like it would be way too complicated to do that. So I wish I could. Unfortunately, unless you live nearby, I don't really think that's an option. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this unboxing was entertaining, and it's going to prepare me for the next real one. Not that this wasn't real, but still, yeah. That unboxing is the one I've been looking forward to, because once I do the unboxing video, then I can plug everything in and start playing. So yeah, looking forward to that next unboxing video, but so far this will have to do. So thank you for watching. Just a quick update. Did throw up like once I got home, as I mentioned before. Treatment went relatively well. I wasn't that nauseous, because so far mostly when I go for my appointment I'm nauseous, and there's always that point of like, all right, is it safe enough to get the treatment now, or should I be like, sorry, I can't do it now, I'm feeling nauseous, like I need time to rest. So far I haven't had to delay it, but it's always been kind of like on that edge of, I don't know, there's always a risk. Whereas today I was feeling slightly better, at least during that period where I had to get the treatment. So it went well on that front. I wouldn't say throwing up went bad, just because at this point I throw up pretty much every time I ride in a car. Like every time I go to the hospital, either when I get there or when I come back, sometimes both, I throw up. So at this point, throwing up is just kind of like normal, as weird as that sounds to say. But yeah. By the way, this hat is nice because it's not too thick and it's not like too warm. So if ever I'm a little chilly inside, I can just wear it, and it's, you know, it's relatively thin, it's comfortable enough. I think this might be good. So maybe I'll keep this separate from the rest of the to-go bag. So yeah, that's been the update for the day. One more treatment to go tomorrow. Fingers crossed that everything's gonna go well, but either way, it is going to be a long day, because I have the treatment in the morning, and then in the afternoon I have my appointment with my rehab team. Hopefully I'll finally able to speak to my nutritionist, because we really need to find a solution to eating. Although at this moment yeah, I think even if we do find a solution, it's going to be difficult because it seems like radiotherapy is making me nauseous all the time. And throwing up is one thing, but being nauseous all the time, plus having no appetite, it makes it very, very difficult to be able to, one, work up the nerve to eat because like it's probably going to come back out and it's going to suck. And two, it's just like, I don't know, it's just like at some point everything like piles up and you're just like, I can't. I know I need to eat. I know I can't afford to lose more weight. I know I need the calories and blah, blah, blah. Like whatever reason you can come up with that's logical. I know that. I get that. Sometimes it is just very, very, very difficult to force yourself to eat when you're having like nonstop nausea, when you're vomiting once or twice per day, when you're just struggling. At least some things are better. That I would say that would be the good thing, and also the bad thing is ever since I started having like more intense symptoms. So I almost a year ago at this point, we're probably at like 10, 11 months in since things kind of like started getting worse in a way in terms of symptoms. And there's always at least two things. For a while recently was the coughing and the breathing. And now the breathing or the coughing seems to have gotten better. Not completely better, but better than it was. But that got replaced by the nausea. So it's like, there's always two things. Sometimes a little more. Every once in a while, there's a day where I have like nothing or barely anything going on. But there's almost at least two things. So yeah, definitely looking forward to the nausea not being a thing anymore. Throwing up, I'm used to it. It's part of life. Hopefully I can throw up less, but I don't expect it to go away anytime soon. Nausea, that would be very, very nice because it sucks. So anyway, this has been my practice unboxing video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Wish I could give you some stuff that I don't need or that I don't want. Unfortunately, I wouldn't really know how to do that. But thank you for watching. If you want to support me, $50 gift cards are always nice. I'm just kidding, because that's what I may be getting or not. We'll see. I don't know. Jokes aside, if you want to support me, you have the instructions in the description below. And once again, I want to take the time to thank each and every one of you for watching, for being a part of this community, this YouTube family. I care for all of you very, very much. I love you and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. And by then, I may have gotten my last treatment. I don't know. Depends on when I'm able to record the video. If I can do it before going to the hospital or after. But anyway, either tomorrow or the day after, you should get an update, kind of a summary of how the radiotherapy week went. So yeah, hopefully it'll be good news and be like, hey, I didn't throw up today for a change. That's weird, but cool. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching. Love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow.